Good day, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're making famous orange chicken. It's juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, with a beautiful glossy orange sauce. Please see a full list of ingredients in the video description. Now let's get started with this tasty and addictive recipe that will wow your family and friends. You need 500 grams of chicken breast or chicken thighs. Wash it thoroughly, debone, and cut it to bite size. Transfer it to a bowl and marinate with half teaspoon of chicken powder, quarter teaspoon salt, half tablespoon cooking wine. It's optional if you don't have it, and 1 egg white. Mix the chickens to ensure everything is coated and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Orange chicken was not invented in China. It was created in California in 1887 by Panda Express. It's inspired by Chinese flavors, but it's truly a Chinese-American invention. Let us make our flour mix to coat the chicken pieces. In another bowl, combine 60 g of all-purpose flour, 60 g of potato starch or cornstarch, and 4 g of baking powder, about 1 teaspoon. Mix to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Baking powder reacts with moisture and helps to release bubbles, which help keep the coating crisp even after saucing. That's the secret to restaurant quality crunch. Next, let us make the orange sauce for our chicken. Cut a large orange in half and extract the juice and separate all the bulbs. Now in a bowl, combine 90 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Stir well to combine all the ingredients and allow the brown sugar to fully dissolve. Did you know orange peels actually contain more vitamin C than the juice? While we're not using the peel today, some recipes add zest for an additional citrus punch. Next, let's make our slurry mixture. We use this later to create that delicious sticky sauce that everyone is craving. In a small bowl, combine half tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Stir until all the flour has been dissolved and put aside. Now let's deep fry the chicken pieces. First, coat the chicken pieces with the flour mix we made earlier. Make sure all the pieces are coated. In a deep pan, fill enough vegetable oil that will submerge the chicken pieces. Turn the heat to medium heat and wait until the oil is hot. Use chopsticks to test the oil. If the oil starts to bubble when you dip it in, it's ready to fry. Now add the chicken pieces and fry until they turn slightly golden, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. It will slow down the process and you might not get the result you want. When it's light golden, remove the chicken pieces and repeat until all your chicken pieces have been fried. After all the chicken pieces have been deep fried, we will fry all the chicken a second time on medium-high heat until golden brown. This gives that signature crispy texture and color you see at restaurants. Double frying is a common technique in Korean and Chinese cooking that locks in moisture and gives unbeatable crunch. Finally, let's make our famous orange chicken. In a deep pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic. Toss it around until it's fragrant. Add all the orange sauce we prepared earlier and wait until it comes to a gentle boil. Then add a flour slurry mixture. Stir until the sauce thickens slightly, then turn off the heat. Add the fried chicken pieces. Give it a gentle toss to ensure all the pieces are coated with our delicious orange sauce. Tip: always turn off the heat before adding the fried chicken pieces. Otherwise, it will soak up the steam and turn soft. We want crispy, not soggy. There you have it, famous orange chicken. Classy, tangy, crispy, and heartily irresistible. Serve with white rice, noodles, or just enjoy it on its own. Trust me, it will disappear fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.